Thanks for stopping by at Twisted Art Designs. Another new fun thing to put in the shop. I have this digital, and these are 3 different bookmarks for people who love to read. So what you would do is purchase this digital and download it and print it onto some heavy cardstock, trim them out, punch a hole, add a ribbon to the top, and you've got a cute bookmark. Now this one down here, this one in the middle here, has a separate set of books that you cut this out separately and put a pop dot behind it, and you put it right down here in this corner to make a 3-dimensional little popped up set of books. On any of these, it would be cute on this one or even that one to maybe use a the little die cut, the little metal die cut that cuts out glasses. I've shown that before with my paper dolls and my face-ups. Cut out a little set of glasses, add some lenses behind it, and add some glasses to these girls. That would be really cute, but they're adorable as is. So if you know someone who loves to read, this would be a great gift. You could print it and cut it out and distress ink the edges of it, put a cute ribbon on it, and maybe tuck it in their Christmas stocking. That would be fun for someone who loves to read. So this will be available in the shop. There will be a link in the description box. To find the description, a lot of people don't know how to get there in any YouTube video. Underneath the title, find the words, and when it says ... more, you tap on that ... more, and it opens up. Off to the right usually is the description of the video, and that has all the links to things, and things like links to the shop and links to this digital and other things like that, other interesting information. So check that out if you're interested, and I hope you enjoy these. It was fun creating them. We've got time to read. And then this one, so many books, so little time. And that's the one with the extra set of books. And then this one on her t-shirt says, "I love books." So I hope you enjoy these. Go check them out in the shop. Thanks for stopping by. And go make art, because art soothes the heart.